Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on? At my client Trish's second Section 8 rental unit. Guys, Trish bought this house for under $30,000. Can you believe that? 2024, this house needed $87,000 in rehab. A big number, but it's been vacant for a very, very long time. This house is getting all new vinyl on the entire exterior. It's getting a brand new roof, and everything inside is being redone. I mean, absolutely everything. We've been here for about 2 weeks so far, and you know, sometimes I do these videos, we have crews in there, so we're gonna kind of power through it. We don't wanna be in their way. It might get a little loud. If it is, we'll keep moving. But guys, I'm absolutely thrilled. Trish has never been here. She's never seen this house. She's never seen her other rental. And I love it because what it shows is that you can do this from wherever you are, as long as you have the right people, the right team, and you have a group and a system that works. And what I mean by that, guys, is having the trust and having the people in place to know that work's gonna get done and your goals are gonna be met based on what your vision is. And for Trish, she wants to build a rental portfolio and be able to cash flow every single month, guaranteed 100% Section 8 income. And if that's what you guys want too, it is 100% doable. If you want to use me and my team to do it, send me an email in the description below and you'll never even have to show up to see the property. So guys, what we're gonna do vinyl on the exterior of this entire house. It's got flaking and chipping paint all over it. This entire walkway we're standing on right now, this patio, is all gonna be redone. On a different note, I'm gonna get a little salesy here. If anybody wants a toilet, I'll sell you guys this. This was in here. It's actually one of the best looking toilets we've seen on our house visits today, on our rehab checkup. So we're gonna walk through here. Guys, almost every single room has been re-drywalled. And we turned this house into a 4-bedroom house. I'll show you a little bit about what we did, how we did it, and we're about 10 days away from 100% completion here. So roof's going on tomorrow, siding starting tomorrow as well. Siding will take about 3 days. All new vinyl exterior, all new vinyl soffits. The roof is a custom metal roof, which is gonna last for 40, 50 years. I couldn't be more excited about that. So let's walk through here. So really big living room, okay? And all new drywall. The entire living room was redone, okay? Really bad shape when we got it. So walking through the living room, we walk into a little alcove right here. We have bedroom number 1. All right, guys, so bedroom number 1 in here. We have our bathroom, which is going to be fully redone. It's drying, I'll show you. So, brand new sheetrock all over everything, guys. The mud is actually drying in here right now. Putting a new subfloor in here, that's our new toilet. All new plumbing connections, everything in here. Brand new tub, everything in here, guys, brand new. I'm gonna close it back up to expedite some of the drying of the mud work so we can paint it and sand it and paint it faster. So, bedroom number 1 was behind you. Now, this bedroom right here was not a bedroom originally. We built this wall right here to create that bedroom. So originally you walked in and this was one huge living room. Now it is, now we have a bedroom, which is fantastic. So leading through here, we have 2 bedrooms right there. 3, 4, I'm sorry, it's a 5-bedroom. It's a 5-bedroom house. So we have bedroom number 3, all new flooring, of course, guys, throughout this entire thing. Everything brand new, all new drywall here as well. New windows going in there as well. And walking through, guys, estimated rent here gonna be between $14 to $15.50 a month. Unbelievable. So walking through here, we have our kitchen. Still a lot of work to be done in the kitchen. We have, off of the kitchen, we have our laundry room. So your laundry hookups will go here, your electrical, and of course electrical work still needs to be done, but this is gonna be the back half of the house. We deleted the door that was originally back here. It led off to some nasty little porch that we got rid of. And then what we did is in this room right here. Originally, this was a pantry. So what we did was we took the wall down, and now this is an entryway into bedroom number 4, okay? Right here, this was originally a pantry. So we walled this off. We're gonna use that pantry as the closet for bedroom number 4. So we'll walk around and I'll show you a little bit about what I'm talking about. So you have bedroom 3 right here. And then we walk into bedroom 4. So bedroom 4 has access from this main little area off of the this little hallway alcove area. Bedroom number 4. And we have a closet, of course, bedroom number 4. This is bedroom number 5. Bedroom number 5, guys, is where the gentleman's working right there. This was the pantry, okay? So we are walling this off. Now we have our closet, and now we have a hallway that leads you to the kitchen. So now the layout is a lot better, and you're not having to walk through bedrooms to get to other bedrooms. Now, it's gonna be really, really nice having a big house like this that has had a ton of work done. It's practically a new build with the renovation that we're doing here, all new services with everything, putting all new windows in here. You guys see how beat up and broken the windows are. That'll be one of the last things that we do. But overall, guys, tons and tons of work has gone into this. I honestly forgot how many bedrooms we were putting in it because walls go up left and right, and it's crazy, but it's amazing because basically what we can do, we can take a piece of clay like this, especially on a cheap piece of crap house, and move walls and move things around because we have to do it anyway in large scale renovation. So guys, questions, comments, see you next time.